Imagine waking up in a free country, only to realize the news you're reading isn't yours. It's been planted, engineered, manipulated, and it's all happening on an app you probably don't even use. Poland, a democratic stronghold of Eastern Europe, is being targeted by invisible digital invaders, and no one's sounding the alarm loud enough. We don't need allies like you. Fake Ukrainian soldier in Russian propaganda video. Welcome to Future Forward. Before we pull back the curtain, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because what you're about to see will change how you view modern warfare forever. What do Elon Musk, Donald Trump, and a burning US flag have in common? With a Polish Telegram channel, in a clearing deep in the woods, a video appears online. Camouflaged men set American symbols ablaze. The message? Clear. The intent? Twisted. But the truth is, it's all fake. Mispronounced Ukrainian, Russian accents, costumes ordered from the same site you buy Halloween outfits. This video was uploaded by Polska Grupa Informacyjna, one of 22 Telegram channels the BBC has identified as part of a coordinated disinformation campaign. Each of these channels claims to be Polish, neutral, or independent. But peel back the digital curtain, and you find the fingerprints of Moscow, and sometimes Minsk. Telegram might not be the biggest app in Poland, but guess what? Neither was TikTok until it became unstoppable. These groups post a cocktail of lies, from denying the Bucha massacre to calling Ukraine a Nazi regime. They stitch together truths with fabrications, making them harder to detect. These lies don't stay on Telegram. They leak into bigger platforms, into your groups, into your beliefs. Poland has taken in over 1 million Ukrainian refugees. Yet, public support is eroding fast. And behind this emotional shift, anti-Ukrainian propaganda. Explicit pro-Russian content doesn't work in Poland. So the propaganda is camouflaged as far-right extremism and conspiracy theory. But who's really running the show behind these faceless accounts? What if I told you? It's not just trolls in basements. Take UKR_leaks_PL. It's part of a global web run by Vasily Prozorov, once a Ukrainian intelligence officer, now a Russian collaborator. We are just showing controversial material, they claim, but behind the curtain, the publishing schedules match Moscow working hours. The Info Defense PLND channel is part of a 30-language propaganda network tied to convicted pro-Kremlin blogger Yuri Podolyak. Their coordinated campaigns manipulate refugee narratives, inflate fake crime stats, and stoke economic fear to break Polish-Ukrainian solidarity. This isn't just about Poland. If it works there, you're next. Disinformation doesn't need visas or passports. It crosses borders in milliseconds. A war is being fought in pixels, posts, and private messages. And your attention is the battlefield. If we don't fight for the truth, someone else will write it for us. Like this deep dive? Click here for our expose on how AI is being manipulated by fake media. And if you haven't already, subscribe, like, and drop a comment below on what shocked you most. Let's build a firewall of truth together.
Нам не потрібні такі союзники, як ви. Трамп, Маск, Венс, Рубіо, Грем. Ви заплатите за свою зраду. Горите ви в пеклі, іуди.